Well, hello. Do you like my new hairstyle? Do you see anything different about me? Just something different? Can you put your finger on it? And if you can, could you have guessed it was the foam? So, I'm trying out the new Sephora, I'll put their link below, of the Holographic IGK Foam Meteor, which doesn't tell us what color it is. To my knowledge, there was another one supposed to be pink and another one blue. I chose the blue one just in case you haven't noticed. Blue is my favorite color, but for some reason it looks purple. Does that look purple to you, or am I colorblind? Doesn't look really purple. But on my hair, in case you're wondering, because some people are like, oh, if you have darker hair, it may not show up. I'll leave you to be the judge. Let's show up. So obviously this is not an everyday thing that I'm gonna do. It's just more of a, I'm going to the rodeo, folks. I'm going to the rodeo. It is March 9th. I'm going to the rodeo. Yeah, I'm excited. So I figured, why not? It's one of those days you can just have fun. I may wear this again and use this. My only thing with this is it's messy, it stains, but it does wash off because I had to wash my hands a couple of times. Apparently not very thoroughly. So I need to go back. I still have some left. So I guess for another run, and I believe this is like $21, $22. I'll put it around here somewhere. And just wanted to see how this was. It is hard. It is crunchy and it makes noises when it comes out. It's very interesting. But it says it'll wash out. I'm hoping it does. So in the next few seconds, you're basically gonna see how I try to apply and try to be careful. Yeah, this is not a product for you to be careful. It's just to, so to be like, And me mostly, I just wanted most of it to be towards the front. Now, like when I go into my bathroom, I can't really see anything. But on here, obviously with lights, yes, and with the sun. Actually, hold on, let me show you how it is with the sun. Hold on. Okay, well here in Texas, it's not exactly bright and sunny. Well, kind of. But I don't know if you're able to see the iridescence. It's a little bit, maybe. That's basically how it is. I don't know if you can see the back of my head. How it is from up there. So this is how it is outside. Let me bring you back inside. Outside. So, like I said, in the next 10 seconds, you guys are going to see how I got this, how it looks. And right now, I like it. It's more for fun, little events, an everyday thing. Obviously not. And I will write down the description below if it washed off. Alright, thanks. Bye. Okay, as indicated before, let's see how the foam Foamo meter works. Holographic hair foam mousse. So what I do have right now is like a little glass thing. I don't want to put it all over my hand because I've seen videos to where it explodes and everything. And you know, a brush. This is from Elf, like $2. And I have aluminum foil. Like I said, I'm stressing this. I am not a hair person. I'm not a hairstylist. I know nothing. So I'm gonna guess and we're gonna go through it together. So I'm bringing it a little bit closer and let's start working on this, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna learn this together. I have my mirror here. Turn it on. So I have enough brightness in outside as it is. It's about 2 o'clock and I'm off to the rodeo, hence why I think this would be a good day to, you know, do this and I could get to go see. I'm excited, so I wanted to go ahead and try this out. It is washable. So supposedly the directions says dispense a small amount to hand and crunch the hair or for shimmer effect. For a more opaque finish, use your fingers or comb. Apply directly in the sections, painting along sections, swipe move. Comb through to soften, wash hands after applying, temporary hair color, wash it out with shampoo, supposedly. So what I have right now, as indicated, is a cup, the foam, the product, a $2 brush, just in case, you know, little things to hold the hair. I have a detangler, and I have aluminum foil. And in a way, I feel like this is a good video for me anyway, because my natural hair color starting to come out. That's a big no-no. So let me try to cover those up as well. So let me see, maybe put you up just Okay, so I'm gonna start putting some on my roots. That's gonna be, which we both know because I learned this from Nailogical, and I think she did a video as well. This is not holographic, it's iridescent, but it's blue, so I don't care. So they need to start labeling iridescent. Just saying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my hair into sections, just like, I guess, because I've seen videos of how to do this, and I want it into highlights. So I'm gonna take because I want chunks of this thing. And I think to be more organized, I'll do this. And I think they put it right here. Woo, we're gonna learn together. But first, let's see how this dispenses, because I've seen people to where it's like hurting them. Actually, you need to see this, look. That's gonna be enough for right now. Ooh, look at the cup. Okay, I'm gonna take my brush. I know, a makeup brush of all things. That lets you know how much about hair I know. I can tell you as much as I know about makeup and music, but when it comes to hair, that's why I have a personal hairdresser. Is it me or does that look purple to you? Is it purple on my head? I wonder, is it better with hand? Let me try a little bit with my hand. I think it's better with my hand. Feels a little bit hard. Let's see how this works. Because it looks like there might not be enough, but I want to make sure the front is caught at least. Nice chunk of the front. Let's see how this works out. And if you are a personal hairdresser, you're probably cringing at this point. You're probably like, no! You're cringing, I know. To me, this is looking purple on my hair. It doesn't look blue. What do you guys think? Comment below. To stay. That's gonna have to be the closest way it's gonna stay. So let's try the rest of the hair. Yeah, let's try this a little bit right here. I went ahead and put a shirt that I really don't care about since we're about to do the back. I'm gonna do the back since you guys can't really see the back. I'll turn this back on when I get back to the front. Okay, I have a little bit more pieces in my hair, basically the same strategies I was a minute ago. I'm gonna put stuff down since I don't know how it looks. And if I see any more holographic, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in. So let's see how it looks, shall we? Ah! Okay. Got curly somehow. least I'm able to comb through it. I mean, if anything, I'll just restraighten. It's no big deal. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I took everything off. It did curl it. I'm thinking foil does that. I don't know, I'm not a hairstylist, but at least mine it did. So I went back and re-straightened it. Now, and I'm using like a detangler because it is hard. It is hard. But I don't know if you're able to see. Because right now I see like shimmer more than anything. I don't know if you're able to see all that come to life. I want to add a little bit more, but without foil, just to see what it does. And add a little bit. I know, should have done this from the beginning, right? Makes noises. It's moving in my hand! I think I must have done it a little bit too much, but it's okay. It's okay. That's what happens. It's like more powerful when you do it with your hand. I did it the other way because I'm thinking, you know, little highlights here and there. But it looks like yeah, so far that is how my highlights look like. Let me put a little more up here. Call me crazy, but I like it. It's cold. Why is this so cold? It's like after a while, like it feels like you're putting your hand in ice. Yeah. Look, and then you go with your hand. Ooh. I'm putting a lot more than what I thought I did, but I actually like the effect that it gave me. I do, I really do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because I noticed it does kind of like, I guess it wets your hair a little bit. So let me go and, ooh, look at that. I know, right? I have issues. See, I have a lot more left over. Ooh, I got some on my skin. It's okay. I'll take it off. It washes off. So essentially, it works well. You saw the different ways that I applied it. And let me go and re-straighten my hair, comb it, and I'll be right back. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you what it did to my hands. Look at that. I don't know if you're able to see that iridescence. Okay, and then this is basically the end after straightening my hair, re-straightening it. It's not 100% perfect like it was at the beginning of the video, but you know. But look at all that iridescent. I don't know if you're able to tell. But it's mostly in the front. The back, I don't know. Here, you can see all around my head. Like I said, this is, doesn't really tell us much of anything. It says Meteor, it's supposed to be blue, but it looks purple to me. Or maybe just on my reddish hair. But that's the result of the foam. I say this is a good product just to go have fun and enjoy. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and push the subscribe button. Follow me on my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, here on YouTube at Any Blue Singer, my IMDb page, Any Lopez. And let's see what I come up with my next video. If you have any other questions, let me know. And if you like my makeup, comment below and I may show you a tutorial. Bye.